In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify store. We'll walk through the Shopify theme editor so you can update your homepage, header, footer, and colors, then preview everything on desktop, tablet, and mobile before saving. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each part of the editor does so your changes look clean and consistent. Start by heading to your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where all design and content changes happen. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation and choose Online Store, then click Themes. This opens the area that manages how your storefront looks. Now click Edit Theme. This opens the visual editor with a live preview on the right and a sidebar on the left. Think of the preview as what customers will see and the sidebar as your toolbox for changing it. Use the left sidebar to move through your stores, pages, and sections. Each page, like the home page or product page, is built from stackable sections. Click a section to open its settings, and use the back arrow to return. You can add new sections, remove ones you don't need, and drag sections up or down to reorder them. For quick navigation between pages, use the page selector at the top of the editor to jump from home to product, collection, or other templates. Let's customize the key areas. On the home page, adjust hero banners, featured collections, and image with text blocks to highlight your best products. In the header settings, upload your logo, fine-tune the menu, and add an announcement if your theme supports it. In the footer, update menus, policy links, and your newsletter sign-up. Then open the theme settings for global styles like colors, typography, and buttons. Aim for strong color contrast for accessibility, consistent brand colors, and readable font sizes. Small spacing tweaks can make sections feel balanced and professional. Before you commit, preview your changes on different devices. In the editor, switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views using the device icons. Check that images aren't cropped awkwardly, menus are easy to tap, and buttons are large enough on mobile. Pay special attention to long headings and multi-level navigation since they can wrap differently on smaller screens. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Saving stores your changes to the theme you're editing, and if that theme is live, your updates appear on the storefront right away. Give the page a refresh in a new browser tab to double check. That's it. You've customized your Shopify store by navigating the admin, opening themes, editing sections, reviewing on all devices, and saving your work. Thanks for watching and happy building.